Everybody, I'm Ben, and this is our new Aqua massage bed at Brook Pointe Resort. I want to go over a couple things with you today and explain what an Aqua massage bed is and how you can benefit from it. So there are a couple rules that you need to know about. There are a couple medical conditions that you should definitely observe prior to utilizing this. Some things like broken bones, degenerative disc disease, some blood clots. If you have any of those types of things, you need to talk to a doctor first. There's my disclaimer. We do have a weight limit of 350 pounds It is very crucial that you follow these steps. If you do not, you're going to end up getting wet. You have to remove all sharp objects from your pockets. Items such as keys, jewelry, blunt objects, along with buttoned pockets, may damage the waterproof barrier. So it kind of says this could result in you taking a swim. Not really, but it's just kind of a funny little thing that we put up there. But it's very crucial that you don't have anything in your pockets, keys, or anything like that that could penetrate through that membrane. Undergarments must remain on at all times. If you have like a jacket or anything like that, you'll want to remove that completely. You need to be at least 16 years old. If there's any errors on the computer screen, then you just let the front desk and we can reboot the machine and help that. And that's realistically what it is, but the biggest thing that you need to know, no shoes, no jackets, nothing in your pockets, completely empty. So in order to make this a more comfortable experience, we keep the door shut. The lights, we would suggest having off. That way nothing is hitting your eyes in any way. The other thing that we have found that people have enjoyed is actually having a blanket, bringing a blanket with you if you're not a guest, or taking one from your room and bringing it down here. So it just provides a little bit of warmth if you're wanting that type of experience. Because we've had several people tell us that they have fallen asleep during the experience. Once they get a little nice and warm, it's just a very relaxing experience. So the Aqua massage bed is bookable by appointment via a link that we set up for all of our guests, VIPs, and loyalty members. And you can book your specified time when you're making your reservation at the front desk, or afterwards, or like when you check into the hotel. You can book your massage for any time that you want. You can book those in 30-minute or 60-minute increments. And so I'm going to go over with you real quick about what to expect. First of all, an Aqua massage bed does not mean that you're going to get wet. In reality, that is not the case at all. The bed itself is made out of a fabric material. I guess the best way to describe it is it's kind of like a trampoline fabric that you lay on, and then it has it's a metal frame that's underneath this. So actually what's underneath this are hundreds of micro water jets that come up, that shoot up against this membrane, and then you can actually feel those jets massage your body. There are several different modes that you can put the Aqua massage bed in, and those options are upper body massage, full body massage, lower body massage, custom massage, or Aqua abs. And if you click on the upper body massage, it will show you where it's going to work. Full body, all of these things illuminate. Lower body, there. Aqua abs, it shows the person laying down and it works on their abs. And then you can also choose a custom massage where you choose what it is that you want on the next screen. And then you can choose whether or not it goes on and off. All right, so front desk will be able to make sure that this is on for you. You will be able to adjust your speed on how fast it goes, the jets go back and forth, and how much pressure is done, and whether or not it's a looped, so it will basically go in a loop, or if it goes oscillating back and forth. So one thing that you will notice is that when I turn this on, you will hear how loud it is. So sometimes you can bring in your own headphones, you can use some of the ones that we will provide, or you can just lay here quietly and just listen to the background noise of the water itself, which is kind of calming, I believe. You can turn off the lights in here, the blue and lights that we have in the back, we just leave those on all the time, so it's a nice ambiance to the room. But I'm going to hit start right now and you're going to hear how much noise it makes. Takes a few seconds and we'll make sure that this is all turned on for you. So that's realistically as loud as it gets. And people outside in here really can't hear anything. It sounds like a fan. But if I turn up the pressure, you can't hear, the sound doesn't go up, but you can actually feel the pressure difference from your hand. And you can see how it's vibrating back and forth. But it's nice and warm. The water itself is at 92.5 degrees, and usually, so it'll feel nice and warm to the touch. So when the massage is done, it's going to automatically go into what's called a cool down mode, and it will just basically, it'll stop. The fans on the sides will make some noise, but you will definitely tell your countdown time has ended. There's a time in the top right corner, plus there's usually one while the massage is going on. If you hit stop in between, you could go to a different massage and your time limit is still going. So that way you have time to adjust the jets the way that you would like them to go. The front desk will actually guide you through the entire process, and you'll, I think, enjoy it. So thanks for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this tour video of the Aqua massage bed, and make sure to like this video and subscribe.